Hello.
Today we're gonna make clear slime
Add a baking soda.
and hot water. So we got clear, blue, clear, oceany glue.
We got hot water baking soda thing.
This is baking soda plus hot water.
The thing that's extra short is this.
And this is glitter.
Glitter.
Half red, half blue. We're gonna start now.
Where's the list? I said, where's the list?
I don't even need a list.
I do not know how to do this. Tear it open, put the glue. Good. Lop.
How many am I?
Okay, that's enough. Fingers.
How come it's gonna get a lot? No fair.
Done.
More.
What?
Done. My turn now.
Okay, my turn. It's already gone.
Okay.
Okay, it's got.
There's some more glitter.
No, Kila. There not that more. I do not like this. How is it going on? Do it.
Done. I don't know
Do
what
it,
to
do it.
add. The glitter? Let's add the glitter.
Gimme.
Me first.
Toilet.
This is gonna be a mess.
Why not? We need the cameraman to put the baking soda.
No, I want to put because nobody's gonna put. I don't know where it's just pointing at.
Need tissue.
I love it.
Give it to me. Shrek.
I'll mix it.
Hello.
Is this enough? I'll put some more because I'm a cray of glitter.
Okay, you got a lot. I got not that much.
Some more. Blue. Maybe it's time to put it after with the baking soda.
I also had a spoon. Still can see the blue slime.
A few moments later.
So we're stirring and then we're gonna put this borax that has glitter because I stirred it.
Borax. It's like a baking soda.
It's kind of
like
scary.
like a milk. Borax. Ah, yeah, like a toilet.
Stir.
There.
Kind of working here.
Oh, it's dripping. No, I don't like the feel of baking soda.
One eternity later.
Fail.
Super fail. It's so watery. You put so much activator.
Baking soda.
And we have only one bottle of glue. And if I do this, it looks like slime, but if I don't, it looks watery. We're gonna mix legs onto it.
Fly to the sky. Yeah. How dare the cameraman put feathers and flower and Akila put face powder. Oh, Akila, what are you doing?